Hey y'all, I'm James Wright and welcome to my shop. Today I have Melody here with me and we are going to be making a little Tic Tac Toe board. This is a quick little project that you can do with a few simple tools that anyone can do with their kids in the shop, and it gives them a chance to do something on their own. So let's actually dive in and take a look at this. So how wide is it?
It's about 3.5 inches.
About 3.5 inches.
Right there.
Here, I'll put it right. I'll put it just before that, make it square. I'll do the first one. You draw after me, okay? I'll put it in there. So like that. You do it. Good job. Okay, you do it. Cool. Grab the saw. Okay. Just one hand. Just one hand. Let go of the other one. Longer strokes, a little longer. If it's 3.5 inches, we need to go 1 inch, 1 inch, and then each of those we're gonna add a little bit more. So let's put it on here, something right around there. And then 2, so we put it in the mark, slide up against the mark, finish it across. Now you're gonna do these ones. Okay, you put it in the mark. Okay, slide it across. Okay, now we got this last one. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, your turn. Put it on here. Grab it like that.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, you do both hands. 1,
2, 3.
well, we kind of missed, so let's do a couple more. 2 more. Now, are these dull or are these sharp?
Sharp.
They're sharp, are you sure?
Yeah.
How sharp?
Very sharp.
Very sharp?
It's splitting it out.
Yep. Just like that, and you hit it. Follow the line. There you go, keep going. There you go, look at that. Put a little nick here, and a little nick here, and a little nick here. Okay, there. Now just make a little nick through what's already there. There you go. You make another one. There you go. Okay, let's do this one. Just a moment. Just a moment. Okay, there you go. All 3 of them. So that's where we need to draw all the holes. So let's see what happens when this flag hits the wood. The tip doesn't come out the other side. Do it a couple times, and then you'll do at least one by yourself. Now, see the flag's hitting like that. Then we stop and we come back.
Stop.
Okay, Melody, you're gonna crank it. Other way. There you go. Push a little bit harder.
It's coming through. It's coming through. Can we play the game?
Well, don't you have to finish it? What do you have to do to finish it?
I do not know. With my hands?
With your hands, I know. Here, you put it on. Cover it all over. There you go. Now put it on this. Then get some more. Put it on. Get some into all the holes. So we're going to take off all the excess.
What's the excess?
The extra oil that's on there, stuff that's not going in. And now it is.
Done.
Is it ready?
Yeah. It is. Ooh, it's already ready. That's quick.
So you want to play a game?
Yeah.
Okay, Melody, you go first. There.
Ta-da!
I won.
Oh, you won first.
Nope. Cat's game. Ah, you beat me. So there you have it. A really simple, quick project that makes you happy. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Playing the game.
Playing the game? There you go. So I hope you like this. If you do want to see more detail on what we're building and why we're doing it, I'll leave a link to that on my second channel. We go into more detail and I talk through some of the things. As well as Melody here has her own channel, Melody's Workbench, and she has several videos up on projects that she has done, and this one will be up there as well with her rendition of what she was thinking. So if you want to hear what's going through an 8-year-old mind, head on over. It should be interesting. So we'll do that over there. So I hope you like this. If you did, please let me know down below. Like, comment, subscribe. It really does help out the channel. And I think that'll about do it. So until next time.
Hi.
Have a wonderful day. Okay, Melody. Do you want to be grade 8 or do you want to be grade 5?
I'm in grade 3.
Oh.